Foneka iOS Beta Training Video. Part 1. Thank you for participating in the Foneka Beta Testing Program. Your feedback will be invaluable to us in making Foneka the best app in the iPhone App Store. First, let us explain the testing basics. By now you should have received an invite from Apple to install their Testflight app on your iPhone. Once we post a new build of the app, you will automatically receive a message from Apple that a new version of the app is available. When you receive the message, please tap on the Testflight app. Then tap on the Install or Update button, whichever one is shown. This concludes part 1 of the process.
Foneka iOS Beta Training Video. Part 2. When the app starts, it displays a contact list similar to your phone's contact list. You will notice that the names are shown in different colors. Red, no recording is available for the name. Please record one. Blue, a recording is available for the name. You may yourself have created this recording, or some other user of Foneka may have created it earlier. Of course, you can re-record it, if you don't like the available one. Purple, the recording of the full name is available, but you have not yet assigned it to a ringtone. Green, the recording has been assigned as a custom ringtone for a contact. We will demonstrate how to assign ringtones to these 5 contacts using names in this phone's contact list. Anand Kulkarni. When you try this on your own phone, please use the names in your phone's contact list. Okay, let's first record the pronunciation of their names. When recording their names, you can pronounce the names the way you would like to hear them. We will start with Anand.
Anand.
Record the pronunciation of Anand by speaking into your iPhone's microphone. Immediately after saying the name, press the button to stop recording. Repeat the process for the name Kulkarni.
Kulkarni.
Once all the names for this contact are blue, tap Concat Files. This will create a ringtone file for this contact. Do not tap on Assign Ringtone at this time. We will do this later. Now search for Madhumita. Notice that the name IBM is already in blue. This happened because a previous user of Foneka has already created a recording for IBM.
Madhumita.
So there is probably no need to create your own. By the way, these recordings are anonymously stored on a central server. When you install the app and when you add a new contact, the recordings are sent to your phone.
Banerjee.
You can save a lot of time and effort this way and hopefully return the favor. Once you have recorded Madhumita and Banerjee, concat the files. Next, search for Yogesh. Notice that the name Dasa is already blue. You had already recorded it when creating a ringtone for another person named Dasa. Most English-based announcer apps have a difficult time with non-Anglican names, especially Indian names. But in Foneka you can record it exactly the way that it is pronounced.
Yogesh.
Next, search for the contact Shirayu. See the word call? Call Shirayu.
Colonel. Chirayu.
It is an abbreviation for the rank of colonel. When recording, please say colonel. Finally, let's search for Klaus. Even though the contact name uses the German term mobile telephone, we can record it simply as mobile. Klaus Nippner.
Klaus. Kneipner. Mobile.
Basically, you can record the pronunciation of a name as whatever you want it to be. Phew, we have finally recorded and created the announcements, the way that we want them to sound. Behind the scenes, Foneka has already done a couple of things for you. The individual names that you recorded have been anonymously sent to our central server for use by others who will be installing the Foneka app in the future. We have also uploaded the concatenated names to your personal iCloud account. For the next part of this tutorial, you will need to connect your iPhone to your Mac with the lightning cable provided by Apple. You have the end of part 2 of this video.
Foneka iOS beta training video. Part 3. Please connect your iPhone to your Mac using the lightning cable. Your Mac will automatically detect your iPhone and your iCloud account. Click on Finder. You will see your iPhone listed on the left side panel. Click on it. Next, tap on the Files tab. You may have to expand the window to see the Files tab. Click on the Foneka folder. Among the other file names in your folder, you will see the names of the concat files that you created in part 2. If you haven't done it earlier, please create a folder and give it a name you will remember. We recommend Foneka Tones. Drag and drop the concat file names into this folder. Now open the Foneka Tones folder. Then drag and drop the concat file names onto the Music tab. Once you have copied all the concat files into the Music tab, click on the Sync button in the bottom right corner. You are now done with the Mac portion of this process. You can now remove the lightning cable and proceed to part 4, which is assigning the ringtones to your contacts.
Hi, welcome to part 4 of the Foneka installation and use video, where we will now do the fun part, namely assigning our custom ringtones to our contacts. In the Foneka app, let's search for our first contact, Anand Kulkarni. His name conveniently appears in purple, so it's easy to spot. Tap the name. His contact information will appear. Tap on Edit in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down to Ringtone. It says default right now, but we are going to change that. Tap on the right arrow. Scroll down to Anand_Kulkarni_concat and tap. You will hear the announcement of his name.
Hey there. Anand Kulkarni is calling you.
On the next screen, check the box that says Done. Tap the arrow in top left corner to return to your contacts. Now repeat these steps for the other contacts that we have created ringtones for. It says default right now, but we are going to change that.
Hey there. Madhumita Banerjee, IBM, is calling you.
On the next screen, check the box that says Done. Tap the arrow in top left corner to return to your contacts.
Hey there. Yogesh. Dosa is calling you.
On the next screen, check the box that says Done. Tap the arrow in top left corner to return to your contacts.
Hey there. Colonel Chirayu is calling you.
On the next screen, check the box that says Done. Tap the arrow in top left corner to return to your contacts.
Hey there. Klaus Kneipner Mobile is calling you.
On the next screen, check the box that says Done. Tap the arrow in top left corner to return to your contacts. Now repeat these steps for the other contacts that we have created ringtones for. Now that we have assigned ringtones to these contacts and marked them as done, let's search for them to confirm that they are green. A green contact means that when this person calls, the iPhone will now announce the ringtone that you have assigned through Foneka. As we are sure you have noticed, there are a number of repetitive manual steps that currently need to be performed. We are trying to automate as much of the manual processes as possible. Once you complete this part, whenever your contact calls you, your phone will announce the person's name, instead of the boring default ringtone that you're used to. Isn't that cool? You will be able to decide whether you want to take the call at this time or decline it before you even look at your phone. For watching this video. Please try this yourself and let us know. You can provide your feedback through Testflight or by sending an email to support@akalipi.com. You have reached the end of the Foneka installation and use video. Thank you for your patience. We hope you enjoy the Foneka app.